Hello everyone, welcome to the Wealth Saarthi and I am Tulsi Nayak. If you are new to my channel is about investment, insurance, mutual fund, stocks and company analysis based on the business fundamentals and technicals. So objective of starting this channel is that we all learn and earn and grow together. So today's video, it's about a wonderful opportunity has come to my attention, and that is Lemon Tree Hotels, because I see a huge opportunity in hospitality sector as the lockdown, the COVID situation has improved a lot, and in fact 2 days before, couple of states, in fact 3 states, they have removed all the COVID restriction except the mask, and that too also voluntarily. So that means tourism sector is going to get a lot of benefit out of that, and the work from home also have stopped for a lot of companies last week, and people have gone back to the offices to work. So we see a wonderful opportunity that. But before we move ahead and do our deep detail analysis of Lemon Tree Hotels, we would just quickly review how our performance has been of last 3 charts of the week videos we have made. So the first video was posted on March 22nd, and it was about a tin plate company. So we'll just quickly review that tin plate company. And what was the date was 12th March. So we will quickly go here. Where is the 12th March? 14th here. So 12th March was Sunday, so this was the opening on the following Monday, and if we see the closing till Friday, so we have seen 10% growth in the tin plate after we made the video. And after that another was PVR was before that, it was on 6th March. So let's see PVR on 6th March. 6th March, yes, here 6th March. So 7th March, after the video I made, it one gap down and then went down by 4%, but then from that it has given 28.13% gain in how many days? If we just see from here to here, 25 days, 28% gain, not bad. And last one is March 28, TNPL. So let's quickly see that TNPL, Tamil Nadu newspaper. And again 28 March. So 28 March, 24, 28 March, 28 March to here. So TNPL, we are yet to see movement here, still in the same range because it's kind of consolidating here. So let's keep in radar and let's see how it moves in upcoming days, because paper sectors I see good chart pattern building there. So we will see a definitely up move in paper sector. So now come back to today's video, Lemon Tree Hotels. Why Lemon Tree Hotels? Why not any other hotel sector, any other hotel company? We are going to discuss this in the video. So if you want to see how we have performed in our last 3 videos, do watch this video till end, then you will know exactly based on business fundamentals and technical analysis how we can build our conviction, and without doing any indicators, any fancy trading, we can still make money very peacefully. So Lemon Tree, as you know, it's a hotel company, opened first hotel with 49 rooms in May 2004, and then currently now it has 87 hotels in 54 destinations with 8,500 rooms and over 8,000 employees. So that means that company has a proven track record of consistency and performance. Now if we go to their investor presentation, the details which was submitted last to the exchange on 21st February 2022, so very recently, which they have given details to exchange. We will just go through that presentation. I'll go to view, make it in full screen mode. We will just touch base onto the key datas. I will not review the entire presentation, otherwise video will become 1 hour long. But then if you do want to download this presentation and study the way I am studying, I will tell you from where you can access this presentation. So here what you see on the screen, it is very interesting data analysis that in 2002 the luxury upper scale and upscale segment had 15,052 rooms, whereas the upscale, upper mid scale and mid price hotel sector, which is mid scale and economy, had only negligible like 1,458 and 1,895 rooms, as opposed to in 2019, while the luxury and upper and upscale grew to 51,000 rooms, the other segments also grew significantly, and the largest which was to grow was mid-scale and economy. So what does this analysis tell you? That up until 2002, because only the luxury, upper and upscale hotel were higher, only rich people could afford to stay in the hotels. But in 2009, the situation has completely changed, and because there are hotel rooms available in every single spending capacity of the country, the hotels are making more money than what they used to make before, and hotels, they do have diversified their business in order to accommodate need of every single traveler according to their spending capacity. And then that is very well evident in this slide that Lemon Tree operates in every segment. They have Aurika brand, which is upscale. They have Lemon Tree Premier, that is upper mid scale. They have Lemon Tree Hotel, which is mid scale, and then they have the Red Fox, which is their economy brand. So as you see here, company have hotels in every single spending capacity of the country. Now this is just the country's journey so far, that how they have started in 2002 and up until 2009 they have 75 hotels, and they also have hotel in Dubai, and they also have hotel in Bhutan as well. And then if we see their market share, they are 6th largest hotel chain by the number of rooms. And here if we see what is their future plan, their future plan is currently they have 8,489 rooms with 87 hotels, 2,006 rooms with 20 hotels in pipeline, and then by end of calendar year 23, 20% of the branded mid-market hotels in India, 10,495 rooms and 107 hotels. So they are aggressively targeting the mid-market hotels in India, because that is the largest spending segment in India at this moment. As we have seen in this slide, that company has a proven track record of the past history. They are working on the similar pace, similar enthusiasm in order to grow in the future. So it is very obvious that company is in no mood to stay where they are. They definitely want to grow further. So this is how you need to analyze the business. We have to understand the business, and we have to understand the future of the company, and according to that we can build our conviction that if we were to invest in this company, how far our investment can go. Now how to access this presentation? In order to access any information, the way I do is that I don't read any news, I don't watch any news, I don't watch any news website. You simply go to the company's website. You can go here lemontreehotels.com, go to the bottom, go to the investor relation, and then it will open the company's investor website, and you can find out all the documents here. If I open this document, LTHL signing license agreement, so let's see what this document says. They have signed up some new hotel in Jaipur, and this is the information sheet of that hotel. While it opens, let's open one more. It's taking a little bit time to load. Yeah, here see they have submitted on 1st April information to the exchange that they have signed up one more hotel, 47 room hotel in Jaipur. Here on 29th March, 130 room hotel in Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. So this is where we should only believe the information which is submitted to the exchange by the company, because that is the only genuine information. Otherwise you can fall into trap by reading some fake information, and then you can end up making wrong decision, and we don't want to do that. So now just quickly we'll review the fundamentals of the company. So company's market cap currently is 5,066 crore, ROCE, ROE, and previous 12-month profit margin don't look that great, because it's a hotel, and hotel were the worst hit in pandemic, and which is very evident here if you see the quarterly results from 2019 till March 2020. Company was growing at consistent pace, but then here COVID came, pandemic came, and there were hardly any earnings because hotel was shut. And this is actually, I find it very interesting that as the situation started improving, company picked up their earnings at a great pace. Then here second wave came, then again earnings were reduced, but then September 2021 they picked up quite well, and then December 2021 they have shown tremendous results. So if you were to compare against the previous quarter, September 21, 96 crore, and then here they have 143 crore, so it's almost more than almost 80-85% growth over previous quarter. And if you see same thing in the net profit as well, the here because of the COVID situation the company was not making any profit, but if you come to here December 2021, loss have reduced significantly. So now they are in as per last quarter result only 1.87 crore loss, and which definitely I am positive that in coming months company will start making profits. And if we see their shareholding patterns, so promoters have a fairly less share, but there is a reason for it, because while you see that public have a quite a large holding, but then it is not individuals, they are all establishments, they are all the organizations who are investing into the company. And the FII, they have increased their stake here in quarter ended in December. So I am very interested to see the upcoming quarter's results. So quarter has just ended yesterday, so let's see what is the quarterly results are coming up. So generally what happens that if something is good about to happen in the company, it is reflected on the chart before the results come, because there are bigger analysts out there and they know things to analyze better than us. We are just a small fish in the big ocean, and they know things more than us. So you might have this question that why only Lemon Tree, why not any other hotel group? And I'll tell you my logic behind it. Then it's my way of thinking. You would have your own logic and you would have your own way of thinking, but this is my way of thinking. So this is the peer comparison where we have Indian hotels, EIS, Chalet, Lemon Tree, Barbecue, Mahindra Holiday, and ITTC. So the 2-3 key information which I like here is this, that Lemon Tree has the highest FII hold amongst the all hotel companies, and if you see their quarterly sales variance, Lemon Tree have given the highest sales variance, and in profit variance as well, like as we saw here where they were growing negatively. Let's go back to the quarterly results where they were making larger losses. They have reduced their loss significantly, and that is why it is showing growth of 94%. So that is what something I thought it's quite interesting data I see in Lemon Tree hotels as compared to any other hotel company. Now let's go to the technical analysis. So currently I am on a weekly time frame, and this is the chart of Lemon Tree hotels. So if I just draw a horizontal line at the current price level, it is making very interesting chart pattern. That where the company was listed, it was trading in this range at this level, which is more or less nearly current level 63.95. So it took support at this level again, then it went up again, support and went up, small swings, support, so 1 2 3, and here it went up till 89, then for some reason it came down, and then this support became resistance. So it touched once down, touched once down, and here in fact it tried to break out this level, but then COVID came and lockdown came. So therefore we saw market crashing, and here it was crash of almost how much it is, 74%, quite a huge loss. But then interesting thing is that since it made it bottom here, if I draw the line here, when it made it bottom, from this bottom till current price point, it is respecting this trend line except this kind of a second wave period. Then every time it touches the trend line, it bounces back. And now in last week it tried to give breakout, but then it did not sustain, and it closed at the same level of supports and resistance. If I move now to daily time frame, and let me make chart smaller so we can see. So if you see the weekly time frame, you would say that, oh, it did not sustain on a weekly time frame, and let's wait for one more week to give the breakout confirmation. But however, if you see on daily time frame, it did give breakout on 28th of March, then it gave kind of pullback and taking support at the same level. So I am very bullish, I am very positive. I am definitely going to take entry on Monday, because I was waiting for this thing, because currently I do not have position in this stock. but I am definitely going to enter on Monday. But this is my conviction. I will trade as per my understanding and my learning. You will have to trade as per your understanding and your learning. My objective to make video is just that we learn and earn together. That's it. It is not any buy or sell recommendation. So what should be our target? My first target will be the previous all-time high, which is 89.35, and if we calculate from the current level, it has a potential of almost 35+%. And if we see the larger target, so if I do the range calculation method, and from depth of the bottom to the range, it is 112.70, which is almost 76% from the current price level. So wonderful opportunity. I am going to trade this company, but as I said, I will trade as per my learning and my understanding. You will trade as per your learning and your understanding. This is not any buy or sell recommendation. This is just an educational video so that we can all learn and earn together. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and let us spread this financial education awareness together. Thank you very much, gentlemen.